You already know it's your boy Joe back at it again. Listen, today's a very special day because we're going to continue with the Ruby programming. So basically, you already know my series, Let's Learn Ruby, right? Okay, plus we got one more thing. We're actually here celebrating the 1,000 subscriber, right? And it's crazy because in like one day, not only did we get 1,000 subscribers, but out of nowhere, we've gone up. We got like 80 subscribers in one day. But anyways, man, now let's get it. Alright, so this is what we was up to now. So pretty much upcase and downcase. Remember that we were talking about having methods, inside of the objects, right? So now we're going to continue with this, right? The upcase and downcase, right? So it says, call upcase on your name to make your name all caps and use put to print it. Okay, cool. So let's do that. Let's say puts Joe dot upcase, and what that's going to do is going to make everything uppercase, right? Let's see how it looks. Joe, you see? Uppercase. Save and continue. Oh, don't forget to call the downcase. Yeah. Sorry. Alright. So let's say there you go. Remember, we could also put this in a variable. Remember that. We could always go like this and say, hey, I'm over here trying to put var like it's JavaScript. Well, it's not JavaScript. All we have to do is say, hey, name, and then say name equals Joe. So now instead of me having to write it 2 times, all I have to do is says name downcase. See, it works. Let's go to the next thing. Okay, remember in the beginning I told you guys about single line comments. So pretty much you could just say, hey, let's write something like this. This is a comment. See, that's it. We got a badge. There you go. I guess we got over the, simple beginning stuff. Okay, let's do a little multi-line comment. So something like this. Begin. And then end. So multi-line comments is good for something like this. Like, let's say we wanted to do copy that and put it like that, put like a full paragraph. Then that's how you would do it. You say, okay, begin and then end. Instead of having to go something like this for every single one, every single line, create a hashtag. Let's see. See how it's here? See, that's a comment too. But what we want, since it's a multiple lines, and it's like a large paragraph, we basically use a multiple line comment, right? Okay, let's go to the next one. Naming conventions. So what it says, there are many different kind of variables you encounter as you progress through these courses, but right now we're just concerned with regular old local variables. By convention, these variables should start with a lowercase letter and should be separated with underscores. Alright, so Ruby won't stop you from starting your local variable with a $sign or ampersand. No, how you call that? It's the at. I forgot how you call that. But yeah, but by convention, this means are different. So it's best to avoid confusion by doing what the Ruby community does, I guess. Okay, create a variable name. Okay, exactly what I was telling you guys. And just name it Eric. Shout out to my boy Eric. Alright. And the string can be capitalized, but should be all lowercase. Here, so it can be capitalized. Okay, so let's do downcase. There you go. That's it. Let's see what we up to right now. Okay, so now we're gonna do a review, I guess. Alright? Let's see if everybody remembers how to do this. Okay. Let's quickly review. Create a variable called my name. This is a quick review, guys. Nothing new. Okay, so and then my age. Okay, I'm 29. Okay, now let's do a math. Let's say sum equals to 13 plus 379. Product equal, oops, why am I writing equal? Let's say equals to 923 times 5, makes 5, and then quotient equals to 13,009,132,09 divided by 17. Oops, it looks like a variable product isn't correct. The you set equal to 923 times 15. Yeah, that's what I did. Sometimes this fucking Codecademy be messing up. I don't know what the hell. Let me see. 923. Oh, that's why. My fault. My fault. Alright, guys, so that's what it was. I put a 5 instead of 15. See? That's it. Alright, guys, so let's continue with this. This is just another review, guys. You guys already learned this, right? So what it's saying, okay, strings and string methods, right? So it's saying, okay, declare variable name, set it equal containing your name. All right. Now let's say name downcase. Okay, what it's saying, code downcase on your name to make it a lowercase. Okay, we did that. And then code reverse. Oh, I forgot to teach you guys that. Yeah, so you could actually chain the methods. Like, you see how we have this little dot here? Right? That little dot right there, if you see it, basically you could actually do another method on top of the string. So now you could actually chain it. So like, let's say we want a downcase and then we want to reverse it. So we could do something like that. And then it says, then after reversing it, then call upcase. Cool. All right. So let's see if this is right. Yeah, there you go. So first what we did was, this was the string. We declared the variable, right? Name Joe. And then with the name variable, we basically said downcase it, make it all lowercase, then reverse it, right? And then after you reverse it, put in uppercase. All right? So remember that everything goes by order. So it goes from left to right. Downcase it, then reverse it, and then upcase it. That's it. Now let's say create a single line and a multi-line. So it was like this, right? Single line comment, and then I think it was like this, begin, and then end. And then let's just copy this thing. Multi-line comment. That's it. We got the first one, guys. Introduction to Ruby. You dig? Don't you feel smart right now, man? You should feel good, man, because most people quit. They can't even get through this whole first thing. Alright, guys, so let's see what else is next. So I guess that's it. We review everything. We went over variables and data types, you know, and then we did strings and methods. And then from there, we basically did writing good code, you know, putting single line comments, multi-line comments, naming conventions, basically knowing that start with a lowercase on your variables, right? And then basically we have a review, and that's it. We did it, guys. Let's move on to the next thing. Alright guys, make sure you subscribe and make sure you like this video, man. If you want to support the channel, just click on the links below and basically click either on the Amazon link or you click on the Udemy link. So whenever you buy an item, basically like a little percent, I think it's like 3 or 4%, we get it back over here at the channel and we could actually help out other developers. If you didn't know, we actually give 25% of all the earnings to basically all the other developers here that are actually subscribed.